Hi, Chef J here. Today I'm going to make Zaru Soba, Japanese called Soba Noodles. You will need 2 bundles of dried soba noodles, a half cup of mentyu, a half cup of water, green onions, a little wasabi, shredded nori seaweed for topping. Step 1. Chop green onion. Step 2. Serve the green onion on a small plate, along with a little wasabi. Step 3. Boil water in a saucepan. Add soba noodles and cook according to the package instructions. Stir the noodles to separate them while cooking. Step 4. Drain the soba noodles and quickly rinse them under cold running water to cool them down. Step 5. Pour mentyu and water into a serving bowl. Step 6. Place soba noodles on a plate, top with shredded nori seaweed, and serve with dipping sauce and condiments. I hope you will enjoy this refreshing soba noodle dish. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.